Here's how to fix Steam issues that appear after a Windows update on your PC. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Start by closing Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator helps restore access that may have been restricted after a Windows update. Step 2. Clear Steam download cache. If issues continue, clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will notify you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data created during or after Windows updates. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If Steam still does not work properly, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes background components affected by Windows updates. After completing these steps, Steam should work normally after a Windows update. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.